Wow, well, would you look at that? So I found this battery at Harbor Freight as I was getting ready to buy a $54 drill with this battery, and hopefully there's nothing wrong with it, but it only has one bar on it. But okay, so it works. So my $7 drill and a $17 battery, and I guess you only get 5 days on these. But if you were to buy the new one, it'd be $29 plus tax, and then you would get 90 days. Apparently, yesterday this was 40% off. Can you believe that? But what I did find was these D batteries, and they were $3.70. The cheapest I could find for D batteries on Amazon was like $13 or $14, I think, for maybe, I don't know how many. But it ends up being like about a little bit around $6 for the one, so I'm gonna put them in my mag light, so that'll be cool. So yeah, maybe not the best deal in the world on this, but I mean, I didn't really want to buy another drill. I mean, I thought about it. I was like, because I was like, well, I could buy the battery for $29 and just use this, or I could buy the $54 drill and battery kit that comes with this battery and a charger. But you still only have one battery between the two tools. So this way, I guess I got one battery, I've got one tool, I've got one charger at home, and if I really want another Harbor Freight power tool, I can just go buy one. The main thing, the lady told me, she said, these batteries are terrible. She said, they barely run this. I'm like, well, I guess we'll see. I haven't had any problem with batteries of that size on any other type of power tools, but I think most of the Ryobi are 2 amp hour, but I think some of them were smaller like this, so I don't know. I don't want to spend a bunch of money on Harbor Freight stuff. The main thing was I bought this drill for $7 and the charger for $4, and they charge like $29 for their battery, and they charge like $30 for their charger. And otherwise you buy a $100 battery kit, which is like a 5 amp hour battery in the charger. So they're going to get you one way or another. So if you buy a battery for $29 and a charger for $30, you're already at $60. And then you can buy the bare tools for anywhere from $29 to like $59. So you could buy, I think, like this drill for $29 without a battery. But then you're gonna have to spend $60 for the rest of the shit. Or you could buy the kit for $54 with the battery and the charger. So it's usually easier to buy the tool and the battery. So I'm glad it works. We'll see how well it works. These are really, I swear, like a serious copy of DeWalt. The battery feels pretty damn light. I'm just hoping that somebody didn't return it because there's anything wrong with it. So we'll see. But I guess at $17, it's the cost of putting fuel in the vehicle going somewhere.